In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue store credit on Shopify. This is a great tool for handling returns without refunds, making good on delays, or rewarding loyal customers, and it takes just a minute once you know where to look. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Using a desktop browser makes the navigation clearer and ensures you see all available options. Once you're in, head to the customers section from the left-hand menu. If you manage a lot of customers, use the search bar to find the correct profile. It's important to select the right person because store credit is tied to the customer's account details and will be available to them when they check out using the same email on file. Open the customer's profile. On this page, look for the section labeled Store Credit. Depending on your theme and permissions, it may appear in the overview or as its own panel. If the customer already has a balance, you'll see it here. If not, the section will be empty and ready for you to add a new amount. Click Edit or Add Store Credit. The wording can differ slightly based on whether you're updating an existing balance or creating one for the first time, but the action is the same. You're preparing to set the amount available for this customer. In the amount field, enter the store credit you want to issue. Double check the currency shown matches your store's settings and take a moment to confirm the number. Store credit affects what the customer can spend, so accuracy matters. If you see a place to add a note or reason, use it to document why you issued the credit. Keeping a brief record helps your team stay aligned and makes future audits easier. When you're satisfied, click Save. The customer's store credit balance will update immediately in their profile. Depending on your store's notification settings, they may receive an automated message. If your setup doesn't send one, consider letting the customer know the amount and any applicable conditions in your usual support channel. When the customer places an order using the same email tied to their profile, they'll see the option to apply store credit at checkout. The credit is used before other payment methods and will reduce the order total up to the available balance. That's all there is to it. Log in, open customers, choose the customer, find store credit, edit or add the amount, and save. Keep notes for clarity, verify amounts before saving, and you'll maintain a clean, customer-friendly store credit workflow.